with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious, a Tres Leches chocolate cake. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: granulated sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, butter with salt, vanilla extract made at home that you guys already have that recipe on my channel, milk, all-purpose flour, eggs, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and whipping cream. This is everything we need to make this delicious Tres Leches chocolate cake. So let's get started.
I want to show you that I'm going to use this. I'm going to use my stand mixer. I have my butter, which is at room temperature, and my regular sugar. And now I am ready to start mixing and incorporating the butter and the sugar. Once this is nice and fluffy and it's nice and incorporated, I'm going to continue with my room temperature eggs. And I'm using 6 organic eggs, and when I say organics, they are from my chickens. Here I have chickens at home, so they are giving me delicious eggs. Now I'm ready to pour them and incorporate in the rest of the ingredients, making sure that I clean the sides of the bowl so everything incorporates perfectly. Once this is nice and incorporated, I'm going to start adding the milk. The milk is at room temperature, and that's exactly how you want it. You want to make sure that everything is incorporated and at room temperature. Once this is done, now I'm ready to start sifting my cocoa powder, my all baking powder, and my all-purpose flour. And the all-purpose flour, I'm going to do it at 3 batches so that I make sure that everything is sifted completely. Remember, this part is important because if you sift all your dry ingredients, that means that your cake is going to come out so fluffy and so delicious. This chocolate Tres Leches cake comes out amazing every time, and I know you guys are going to love it. The holidays are just around the corner, and let's make this delicious and amazing chocolate Tres Leches cake at home. And here, of course, I'm gonna add some vanilla extract, and you already have this delicious and amazing recipe of how to prepare the vanilla extract at home. This is the way your texture should be. So now I am ready to put it on my glass container. I'm going to add some baking spray, making sure that I cover all the sides. And now I'm ready to add the mixture in here. Look at this. The mixture is nice and thick, and this bread comes out so fluffy and so delicious. Remember, when you bake at home, you have control of the sugar that your family is intaking. From here, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Remember to preheat your oven before you add your bread inside. I have espresso powder, I have the cocoa powder, and I have 2 tablespoons of very hot water. And I'm adding these mixtures in here, incorporating completely. And now I'm ready to transfer it to a bigger bowl where I'm going to add the 3 leches, the condensed milk, the evaporated milk, and the whipping cream. We're gonna go ahead and whisk it completely to this. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the vanilla extract, and then let's taste it. Let's see how this tastes. This tastes amazing, and this is ready. I'm gonna go ahead, put it aside, and wait for the cake to come out of the oven. Look at the texture, really thick and delicious. Okay, 30 minutes have passed and the cake is completely done. I'm gonna put this little stick in here. It came out clean. Now I'm ready to help myself with the fork, and I'm gonna start making those little holes so that all the delicious Tres Leches mixture incorporate and absorb all those delicious flavors. The bread is a little bit warm. You might be thinking that's too much milk, but you know something? The bread is going to absorb all the liquid. We're gonna go ahead, put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours until all the mixture is completely absorbed by the bread. I have my whipping cream here, and I'm gonna start mixing until it's nice and fluffy. I have my little decoration, the little tip, which I'm going to use to add the whipping cream on the top. I have the pastry bag. If you don't have a pastry bag, you actually don't need one, okay? You could just scoop the whipping cream right on the top and then decorate your cake. I'm gonna start adding all the whipping cream to my pastry bag. I'm getting it ready, and by this time, the bread should have already absorbed all the milk. So let's see how that is. It's still in the refrigerator. Look at this. Okay, this is done. Let's go get the bread out of the refrigerator. Look at this. Still a little moist from the top, but that's okay. Now I am ready to start decorating my cake. A little bit at a time. I know that this takes time, but you know something? At the end, this is gonna look amazing and it's gonna taste delicious. I wanna show you how it looks from the top. Look at this. This really looks amazing, delicious. I love making this Tres Leches chocolate cake for the holidays. To tell you the truth, it comes out so delicious. It's not too sugary. It's just the perfect sweetness. If you follow my recipe, you are going to love this Tres Leches chocolate cake. And of course, I'm going to add some cocoa powder right on the top for the decoration. And I'm ready to start slicing and getting one piece out. Oh my gosh, this is the reveal. Let's see how this comes out. Oh, nice and fluffy. I'm ready to pour a little bit, and now I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it. So you know something? I'll see you in just a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy it.
With this delicious chocolate Tres Leches cake. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. You know something? The cake is so soft, so tender, and yet It completely absorbed the Tres Leches with the delicious chocolate. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy. Excuse me. Flavor is so delicious, but yet it's not overwhelming of sugary. It's just perfect. The amount of sugar I added is just perfection. I hope you give it a try. The holidays are around the corner, and I want you to enjoy this delicious chocolate Tres Leches at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious Tres Leches chocolate cake. See you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.